I want to show you why learning data analysis is going to be the best choice you will ever make in your life. Let me explain. Did you know that data related jobs, I'm talking about data analysts, data scientists, data engineers, and business intelligence analysts, these are among us some of the fastest growing jobs in the world right now. And it's not only that, they also pay so well, and the demand will still be available for years to come. Hi, I am Isaac. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. I have a master's degree in bioinformatics. I have more than 5 years of experience in statistical data analysis, programming, coding, and I have helped and trained hundreds of students from diploma to undergrad to postgrad, PhD, postdoc, you can mention them, in data analysis, academic writing like proposal, dissertation, thesis, and so many things. And many of them have gone ahead to graduate on record time, and some of them on top of their class. If you feel stuck, you are unsure, you are bored, you're wondering what the future is going to be like, the job market, this video is for you. Right now, the world is changing so fast. We have different technology in finances, health, all that is growing right now. What is common amongst them is that they all need data analysts. A new global report by the World Economic Forum in 2025 found this. One, they found that technology jobs like data analysts, fintech, AI, and machine learning are growing so fast. In fact, 7 out of 10 employers nowadays, they are saying that they need somebody with the analytical thinking at their workplace. They are willing to give higher wages for people with those analytical skills. But there is a big problem. Not enough people are learning these skills. So if you start now, you are going to be ahead of so many people. Let me give you an example of my case. In 2020, I learned statistical analysis using Stata and SPSS and Excel as a joke. A friend of mine just called me. He was like, hey, I am having a hard time. I need to analyze my data. I need to write my dissertation and submit. Can you help me? I believe you can help me. And by then, I didn't have any knowledge in data analysis. So I had to go to colleagues who knew data analysis. They showed me a few basics. You can do like this, do like this, do like that. And immediately I went on that project. I used Google to search for whatever answers I needed, and then I executed the project with very minimal errors. And within the span of 1 week, I had made about $60. $60 was a very big amount of money for my case, because around that time I was working for $150 per month at a job. So earning $60 in a 1 week time, doing work for, if I combine hours of like 6 hours, that was a lot of money. And ever since then, I have always had clients in the academic world, helping them analyze that data, train them, teach them, and trust me, I don't regret that. For your case, why should you learn data analysis? As I have just explained to you, almost everything runs on data. Health. Currently, we have genomics data coming up. That is a virgin area that people going into bioinformatics are supposed to fill that gap. Finance. Everything about numbers, forecasting, and all those kind of stuff. Even when you want to go and build AI, a machine learning algorithm that can help all these financial institutions to project their profit, to try to see what changes can they make to have many profits, you will still need to do that analysis. In fact, one of my recent clients that I worked with, he is doing a project on the adoption rate, challenges, and facilitators of using AI in credit assessment. So the intention is like, what if we apply AI while giving loans? We can do background check. We can know how much we can give this person. Can they be able to repay? What are their financial muscle if you give them a loan? And most banks are clearly adopting that. because they have been seeing a lot of failure to complete bank loans, and it's causing a number of losses. So if you can go into that financial market, you go to the banks and you tell them that, you know what, I have knowledge in AI, I have knowledge in data analysis, I can implement for you a simple system, I am convinced that they will be willing to listen to you. Even climate change, even in education field, marketing, agriculture, same thing, data. And you don't have to be a genius person to learn data analysis. You don't really have to be that. All you just need to know is how to ask the right questions and how to use different data tools, different softwares to answer them. You can choose any path of your choice. You could choose the direction of genomics data analysis, which is the new field that I am going to. Initially, I've been in microbiology and statistical analysis, but now I'm progressing into genomics data analysis. But going back to the same report I was telling you about, by 2030, it is expected that if the world was to have 100 workers, 59 of them would need to be retrained. Here is a big shocker. 11 out of those 59 people who need to get training in data analysis or any other form of training, they will lose their job. They will be unwilling to transition. They will be unwilling to change. That is so sad. So your chance is now to act as early as possible. Don't wait to get replaced in your job. You should get ahead of so many people. Lucky for you, I have walked that path. I went and did masters in genomics analysis. I've also helped others. I've guided hundreds of diploma students up to PhD level, and they have graduated on time. Some have gone ahead to publish papers, some have joined very big projects, and their life has changed beyond their degrees. So if you are interested in learning some of these analyses, I have so many resources for you. I have an upcoming full data analysis training in using Stata software. If you're willing to be part of that, you can join the waiting list. I will be giving 50% discount code to everyone who will be on that waiting list. But if you also want a customized training, one-on-one, you're like, no, I don't want to be in a group with the others. Me, I want my own training. Then feel free, reach out to me. You can send me an email, or you can book a one-on-one call session using the link below, and then we talk more about your problem. We talk more about your needs. Then I will design a personalized training program for you, taking you from absolute beginner, someone who is naive, someone who is not sure of what they're supposed to do, to being comfortable with what you are supposed to do. Most importantly, whether you joined the upcoming starter training, which is going to be launched, or you be on a one-on-one call, or any form of help that you obtain from me, you can access me anytime, anywhere, without any time limit. You can always send me email, just remind me, oh, we work together on this and that. Now I have this challenge, and I will be able to help you throughout your journey. Don't miss that opportunity. Moving on. So to wrap up everything, is learning data analysis one of the best choices you'll ever make in your life? For my case, it was one of the best choices I could ever make. And for many of the students I have helped and I have trained, their stories have also changed. Take a case, for example, Florence. We worked together in her proposal and dissertation writer. I helped her design all those concepts, all those ideas, perform data analysis, and she has completed her journey. By the way, she sent me extra money beyond what she had paid for the services. So that is just one of the hundreds of people who have not regretted knowing about this skill. Let me know within the comment section, what is your opinion about this? Do you have any other extra question? I want to read your comment down below. Start it right now. I will be waiting for you. You can watch this next video where I talk about my shift, my change in career from a wet lab to a dry lab. I will see you there.